and Aiken's daughter, and I will teach you to cook like a Viking using ingredients that were available during the Viking Age. I would like you to see how life was during that time, so we'll visit other Viking reenactors demonstrating their unique skill and sharing it with us. Join us in the meat hall for a visit with more Vikings. Come with us on our journey through the Viking Age. Oatmeal with fresh fruit. Welcome to Cook Like a Viking. I am Caitlin, Aiken's daughter, and today I am making Dagmal, or morning meal. Vikings usually had 2 full meals a day, starting with Dagmal. Often it was leftovers from the day before or whatever they had. I am going to make oatmeal with fresh fruit and honey. Steel-cut oats are closer to what would have been used in the Viking Age. Rolled oats were true process. They didn't have the machines for those. I have steel-cut oats, blueberries, cherries, and honey. So, put a small cauldron over a hot fire. Add about 2 cups of water and 1 cup of steel-cut oats. Let it cook for about 10 minutes while preparing the fruit. Stir it occasionally to keep it from sticking. Now with the cherries. This takes forever. Cut the cherry in half, but cut it horizontally instead of vertically, and twist it. This makes it easier to remove the pit. Use your fingers on the other half to free the cherry from the pit. Get a cup ready to go. A lot of time was needed to prepare for the cold season, not just for food, but clothing as well. This time was used to make warm winter gear using different techniques with wool. One method was making hats, mitts, and socks using nail binding. This is a form of sewing the wool in strands using a single needle to make needed items. Later in the show, we will meet in the meat hall and demonstrate how it is done. Okay. Check the oats. I think we can add the fruit. Put in about a cup of fresh blueberries with the cherries in the bowl. Take the bowl of fruit and add it to the oatmeal. It seems it needs a little more water. Go ahead and add some. That is better. Spoon in about 2 large spoonfuls of honey and stir it up. Let it gently cook until the fruit is soft, usually about 2 minutes. Check the fruit. It seems to need another minute. It's finally done. Take a large wooden bowl, an old wooden bowl, with a little bit of water in the bottom. Put the hot cauldron into the bowl of water, and this will keep it safe while you scoop out the porridge. Ooh, look at that fruit, so juicy. It looks delicious. I'll scoop 2 bowls. Now to taste it. Wow, is it good? Perfect to get you through the day. Here's some for you. Enjoy. Nibbles. But I'm hungry now. During the long day, hunger sets in. It seems like you cannot go another minute without a snack. While there were a lot of foodstuffs available, it was unusual to have an adult eating between Dagmal, which is morning meal, and Dagmal, which is night meal. It would have made sense to have some food ready to use if unexpected guests showed up. The Havamal states, "Hail, ye givers, a guest is come. Say, where shall he sit within? Much pressed is he, who fain on the hot would seek for warmth and weal. He hath need of fire, who now is come, numbed with cold to the knee. Food and clothing the wanderer craves, who has fared o'er the rimy fell." Some nibbles that would be around might be fruit, either fresh in growing season or dried for winter or traveling. Fruit may include apples, cherries, plums, which become prunes when dried, and bilberries. We use blueberries. They are usually much larger than bilberries. And boiled eggs, there were chicken, duck, quail, or whatever fowl eggs they could find. Dried meat was usually handy, made from meat including beef or fish. Fish was commonly called stockfish, which was a dried smoked fish made from many different kinds of smaller fish. In Iceland, they would dry fish like whitefish and called it hardfiskar. Flatbread was made with different flour ground from grains or using ground dried peas or horse beans, which are broad beans now, or similar. They would have been served with honey, skyr, or fruit. Flatbread was also eaten with stews or soups. Hardened flatbread was good traveling food. Vikings loved cheese and experimented with cheese making. You could try a hard old cheddar or quark, a soft creamy cheese. Skyr was used a lot because it was easy to make and it lasted a good while. Skyr is a creamy yogurt-like dairy, perfect with fruit and flatbread. That tastes so good! Stay tuned for Dinner with the King. We'll be right back. If you would like more information on the recipes and tools we use, check out our website at cooklikeaviking.com.